Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the OnePlus Watch 3, the smartwatch that's making waves as one of the best watches of the year. With its premium design, advanced health features, and unbeatable battery life, is this the ultimate smartwatch for everyone? Let's find out. Let's start with the design, and wow, this watch is a head-turner. The titanium alloy bezel gives it a sleek, premium look while making it incredibly durable. The 1.5-inch LTPO display is bright, vibrant, and perfect for outdoor use. Plus, the sapphire crystal face ensures it's scratch-resistant, so it stays looking brand new even after daily wear. And here's the kicker: this watch is built to handle anything you throw at it. It's military-grade certified, meaning it can survive extreme temperatures, dust, and even water pressure up to 50 meters. Whether you're hiking, swimming, or just living an active lifestyle, this watch is ready for the challenge. Now let's talk about what makes this watch a game-changer for health and fitness. The OnePlus Watch 3 comes with a 60-second health check-in feature that gives you a quick snapshot of your key health metrics: heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and even arterial stiffness. It also tracks your sleep quality, including breathing patterns and snoring risk, to help you optimize your rest. And for fitness enthusiasts, it offers over 100 sports modes, with advanced tracking for running, cycling, and even skiing. The dual-frequency GPS ensures you never lose your way during workouts. This watch is truly a fitness powerhouse. Here's where the OnePlus Watch 3 stands out from the crowd: its insane battery life. In smart mode, you get up to 5 days of usage on a single charge. And if you switch to power saver mode, it can last up to 16 days. That's right, no more daily charging. Even with heavy usage like GPS tracking, calls, and app notifications, you're looking at 3 full days of battery life. And when it's time to recharge, just 10 minutes of charging gives you a full day of use. The OnePlus Watch 3 isn't just about health and fitness, it's a full-fledged smartwatch. It runs on Wear OS by Google, so you get access to all your favorite apps like Spotify, Strava, and Google Maps. You can also control your phone's camera, skip tracks on YouTube Shorts or TikTok, and even make calls directly from your wrist. The dual-engine architecture ensures smooth performance and efficient power management, making this watch a true multitasking beast. So, is the OnePlus Watch 3 the best smartwatch of the year? Absolutely. It's packed with premium features, offers incredible battery life, and looks great on your wrist. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a tech lover, or just someone who wants a reliable and stylish smartwatch, this one is for you. It's a lifestyle companion that helps you stay connected, healthy, and active. If all of these features appeal to you, the OnePlus Watch 3 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found the review helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more such tech reviews. Thank you.